Okay, hello guys. So today I have with me CMF birds by nothing, and this is a surprise birds I'll show you. Let's unbox this and let's see how it is. And I got it for around 500 rupees. And as you can see, this is the CMF birds from Misho. It's the USB type C thingy. I've ordered the red color, but it's bright orange. This thing works and it has quite heft and it has a good quality. These are the birds. Let me pair it. I don't know how to pair it. Let me pair it once and get back to you guys. Okay, so these are paired. There are no instruction how to do that, so I have to figure it out. So these are paired with my phone. Let's play something and see how, and let's hear how the sound. I don't think you can hear it, but it doesn't sound good. It just looks good and it sounds really bad. I don't think it's worth the 500 rupees also. So I'm not suggesting you to buy this earphones. Buy the original one. It would be way better than this. So if you like this video and you want more of these type of videos, unboxing and reviews, so please subscribe to my channel and see you in next video.